Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here today. As you guys can see up on the screen, I wanted to talk a little bit about Aerpio Pharmaceuticals. This is ticker symbol ARPO. This company was up over 63% today, and intraday it was up even higher. This thing was going absolutely crazy. It has cooled off a little bit after hours, but still an absolutely insane day, being up over 50% even after hours. I mean, this company was like what, $1.70 at the beginning of this week. It was $2 at the beginning of this month, so it's seen really crazy gains. 64% in a week, 33% in a month. This thing is doing very good. Obviously, as we know, all these like pharmaceutical type companies are really volatile. There's a lot of money to be made, there's a lot of money to be lost, but there was actually some pretty big interesting news coming out about this stock today. So not only do I want to talk about it because the price is going crazy right now, but also because the price could be very good in the future for this company as well, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. Definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I'd appreciate it a ton, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. With that being said, here we go, getting right into this one. So we're reviewing this article from investorplace.com, which says RPO stock 12 things to know about the Aerpio Pharma as analysts upgrade sends shares soaring. And that is the big thing here. H.C. Wainwright analyst Robert Burns is responsible for the upgrade today that has ARPO stock on the move. The good news for ARPO stock continues with Burns setting a $22 price target for the shares. And again, when we take a look at this price right now, $2.79, and at least one analyst has a target of $22. That is insane returns. I think somebody was saying it's over 1,000. It's like 1,100% returns from here or something like that. Now, just because this guy thinks it has the opportunity to go there doesn't mean it will, doesn't mean it's going to. It's not a guarantee or anything like that. But I mean, this analyst is seeing very good potential gains for this company. So it might be at the very least something to just look into a little bit further, something to do a little bit of your own research about to see if you come to a similar conclusion. And if you come to a similar conclusion or anywhere near the conclusion that Mr. Robert Burns has come into, then this might just be a stock you want to get involved with, because again, like the percentage gains here are absolutely insane if this guy's bull thesis does play out. The consensus is $2.75 per share right now, so it does represent an upside of 1,186.6% from the penny stock's closing price. This is a $132 million market cap company, so very small, can be very volatile, can move very fast, and obviously Mr. Robert Burns projects this company to be headed to the billions from where it's at right now. So why is he so bullish on this stock? What is going on here? It all has to do with their merger deal with 80 Bioscience. Burns says the deal should put the combined company as on a solid path towards becoming a self-sustaining commercial stage enterprise with a differentiated lead product having applicability across multiple specialty oncology indications. So he's speaking very highly. He really loves what this merger deal means for the future for these companies both getting involved together. ARPO stock is seeing heavy trading today following news of the analyst upgrade. As of this writing, more than 117 million shares have changed hands. That's a massive jump from their average of 5.6 million per day. At the time that they wrote this, ARPO stock was up 57%, and it is up 158.6% since the start of the year. So that is another big thing to take into account here. This stock opened up the year at $1.05, and obviously things have been very good. Again, we've seen it go up as high as $2 here, right back down to $1, and now again all the way up to almost $3. So very volatile, definitely not for the faint of heart. In the short term, this stock could go anywhere. Just because an analyst says he thinks it could eventually go to $22, that doesn't mean it's going to $22 today, this week, this month, this year, or even in the next 5 years. So it's definitely going to be more interesting to see what is going on here. But when analysts give upgrades, whether it's going from like neutral to buy or buy to strong buy or from sell to buy or anything like that, or give a price target like this, it's always a big deal. It always means a lot. It usually gets some short-term price reaction from people, and that's even just when people raise their price target slightly. When you have a price target like this that is almost 1,200% away from where the stock is currently, that is going to turn heads, that is going to turn eyeballs, and for a under the radar company that not a lot of people have heard of, that not a lot of people know about, that can be a very big deal. And now that this company is on more people's radars, as more people are going to start looking into them, looking into this merger, looking into what they have going on, it could be a very, very lucrative future in store for the company, for shareholders, for everyone involved. But again, who knows where this is going? Literally anything could happen, but at least one analyst thinks that Arpo has $22 potential. That's pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I'd appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about Arpo? Are you buying, selling, keeping it on your watch list? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hope to catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.